just having Team Taylor written on girls' thongs being sold on the internet? Well, funny story is I was just right over there, and I think we had like a middle-aged woman say to me, she goes, "Hey, just wanted to let you know, I'm wearing the Team Taylor panties, and if you want to, you can sign them." And I was like, luckily, my publicist was right there, and we gotta go. And I was like, "Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'll get back to you." Now, you're 16, 17? Almost 17. Is that illegal in most states to ask a 16-year-old to do that? Maybe, but I still love my fans. Absolutely. 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 Absolutely.